I'm meteorologist Paul Diano with your KOMO 4-Dub, the Western Washington Weather Webcast for Tuesday, March 2nd. Today will be a showery day, but also some sun breaks. El Nino pattern returns, which means once again the jet stream is heading out of Western Washington, and we are going to enter another dry stretch as soon as tomorrow. Once again, doing things in reverse, talking about the long-range forecast, because a lot of you have been asking about when spring-like weather is going to get here and when winter, we can finally say it's pretty much over and we're not going to get cold. I'm going to make an assertion here by looking at some stats that basically says winter has been gone since Christmas, because in late December when we transitioned to this warm pattern, we really haven't come out of it, and I see no reason to believe that we're going to go back in it. So winter may not have been here for the past 2 months and may have ended before the year ended a couple months ago. Let's take a look at what I'm talking about. Typically in early spring we see highs in the lower 50s and lows in the 40s. These are the average high and low for the month of January. Had an average high of about 52 degrees, average low of 43. That is spring-like, and that was January. Let's switch now to February for the year, and let's look at these stats as well. For the month, as I scroll down, all of this is available on the Weather Service website. The average high in February was 53 degrees, even higher than January. The average low, a little bit lower, down to about 40.5. But once again, 2 months with very spring-like temperatures, warmer than your average March for both January and February. So one could argue we did not have winter-like weather for either of those months. As a matter of fact, you got to go back to about December 28th, the last time we really got cold in Western Washington. So let's talk about what we can expect for the next couple days or weeks. We look at the long-range models put out by the Climate Prediction Center. The first map we're looking at here, the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. Once again, the southwestern U.S., Phoenix, Flagstaff, Southern California, colder than normal, the blue. Look at us. Very high likelihood, that dark orange there, that says from March 7th through the 11th, we will stay above normal temperature-wise. This is now the 8 to 14 day outlook, and one of the only places in the country that is likely to stay warmer than normal, and normal now is about 52 degrees, would be Western Washington and the Pacific Northwest, and that carries us almost until the first day of spring. And rainfall, yeah, below normal again, and the 8 to 14 day outlook, normal or below normal once again. So this pattern of warmer than normal temperatures, drier than normal weather, likely will continue until the actual real first day of spring. But if you look at the numbers, we have not had winter-like weather until just a couple days after Christmas. So spring is over, and it has been over for about 2 months. That's a pretty strong assertion when you look at the numbers, but it verifies. So we've got this, a showery day today, but also some sun breaks outside. Weak cold front moving through. Notice behind the front we have some clearing, so these fronts don't have any juice whatsoever by the time they make it here because they're getting no jet stream support, which would give extra lift in the atmosphere to get us some rainfall. We'll have rainfall to our south, rainfall to our north, but that split flow in the jet stream leaving very little for us. The El Nino winter is going to continue. Your extended forecast today, a few sun breaks, a couple showers, high of 54, then look what happens. We dry out again. Wednesday afternoon, all of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, highs in the upper 50s, lows in the 40s, lots of sunshine, partly to mostly sunny skies. We'll have some clouds out there as well. Showers don't come back till Sunday and Monday, but look at each day. Highs in the 50s, each night, lows in the 40s. Spring-like weather, at least, is already here, has been here for the past 2 months, and will likely continue to be here for the next 2 weeks, right up until that first day of spring. So winter, unfortunately, for those of you who love winter, it's probably been over since just after Christmas. Crazy, but it has been a weird weather year, and the weird weather does continue with more warm temperatures continuing. That's the KOMO 4-Dub for today. Hope you have a great one.